listen, we get lots of questions. Why is bootcamp going to change my life? How is bootcamp going to change my life? It's just a system. It's a step-by-step system that we've tried, tested, and made true over the last 15, 18 years. Bootcamp is kind of the culmination of 18 years worth of work, failures, successes, and bringing it all together into being able to see, you know what, guys, like, it works. Just follow the system, one foot in front of the other.
Yeah. And that's really the beauty of it, is that there is a system for this. That's where bootcamp is. It's kind of that big boost to get you going, to get you started, and to put some new ideas and new mindset into your thinking when it comes to investing in real estate.
If you don't believe that it can be done, you're not ever going to believe that you can do it. But you have to believe that it can be done. And it's only by meeting people who've done it. It's good for you to meet and believe, because belief is powerful.
Whether you're new or older, veteran, or just getting started, this bootcamp is for you. Your net worth is your network. We could never have done what we've done financially without our network around us, without the support around us, without getting to meet people and have those conversations that we were able to steer towards real estate. These are the things that are so important. And so aside from everything, if you came to bootcamp, you're going to have the opportunity to network with so many other real estate investors that are wanting to do this same thing. You're going to meet people that will help you in your real estate business. You're going to meet people that you can help in their real estate business. Guys, that's what this is all about. Really. This is where you have an opportunity to expand your network, or at events like this, and especially because we're doing this on Zoom. It has changed people's lives, and it can change yours too. And if you're wondering, is this for me? If you're wondering that, I'm telling you right now, this is for you. It's for anybody that wants to do something in real estate. It's for anybody that wants to get closer to their why without having to put too much more work into their busy schedules as it is.
That's the thing. We get it, guys. We're investors too.
Exactly.
And we get that we don't have a lot more time to give to almost anything. So it's not about adding more time. It's just about tweaking what we're already doing so that we're more efficient with that time. So we'll see you guys in bootcamp.